NITI Aayog Governing Council. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently chaired the 4th meeting of Governing Council of NITI Aayog. The meeting was yet another attempt to take India, a federation of states, forward with equal participation of all the stakeholders. About NITI Aayog, the government in January 2015 replaced Planning Commission with NITI Aayog, which stands for National Institution for Transforming India. Established with the aim to achieve sustainable development goals and to enhance cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy-making process using a bottom-up approach. Composition of NITI Aayog. Chairperson, the Prime Minister of India as the chairperson. Governing Council comprises the Chief Ministers of all states and governors of initiatives by NITI Aayog. Its important initiatives include 15-year roadmap, 7-year vision, strategy and action plan, Digital India, and Airtel Innovation Mission. Assumption Island. After a growing political opposition, Seychelles President Danny Faure has cancelled the agreement with India for the development of Assumption Islands. Why should India be worried about this? The decision by the Seychelles president to drop the deal in the face of protest after a perceived loss of sovereignty in a blow to the government's SAARC, Security and Growth for All in the Region program, announced by PM Modi during a visit to Indian Ocean Rim (IOR) countries in March 2015. It also comes amid India's struggle with another IOR country, the Maldives, where the government has demanded that India withdraw 2 helicopters, pilots and personnel from its atolls that had been sent there to help with maritime patrols. SAARC Fund. Thimphu-based SAARC Development Fund will soon be launching a social enterprise development program (SEDP) to fund 80 entities annually across 8 member states, including India. Nuclear Suppliers Group (NSG). 20th NSG plenary meeting was held recently in Jurmala, Latviia. With this, Latviia has become the first Baltic state to chair the NSG. There was no headway in India's application for NSG entry in the meeting. Benefits associated with NSG membership, once admitted, an NSG member state gets timely information on nuclear matters, contributes by way of information, has confirmed credentials, can act as an instrument for harmonization and coordination, is part of a very transparent process. GLONASS. Russia has successfully launched a GLONASS M positioning satellite, a carrier rocket, from the Space Center. With this launch, there are now 26 GLONASS satellites in orbit. GLONASS is Russia's version of GPS, Global Positioning System. Various versions of GLONASS are GLONASS, launched in 1982, GLONASS M, launched in 2003, GLONASS K started in 2011, GLONASS K2, and GLONASS KM will be launched after 2025. Currently, it's in research phase. How is GLONASS different from GPS? GPS developed by USA has a network of 31 satellites covering this planet and has been widely used in commercial devices like mobile phones, navigator, etc. GLONASS is developed by Russia, originally started by Soviet Union in 1976. This has a network of 24 satellites covering